Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your brand sticker design in Adobe Illustrator for print, full guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe Illustrator on your computer. Create a new document by selecting File and then New. Set the document size to match your sticker dimensions. Select the rectangle tool from the toolbar. Draw a rectangle that covers the entire artboard. Fill the rectangle with a color that contrasts with your design. Import your existing brand sticker design by selecting File and then Place. Locate your design file on your computer and click Place. Position your design on the artboard, ensuring it fits within the rectangle. If needed, use the transform tools to scale your design appropriately. To ensure the design is in vector format, select the design and go to Object, then Image Trace, and choose Make. This will convert your raster image to a vector graphic. Once traced, click Expand to finalize the vectorization. Now, remove the placeholder rectangle if it's no longer needed. Select the elements of your design that you wish to edit. Use the Direct Selection tool to adjust points or paths as necessary. Feel free to change colors or fonts to match your current branding. If you want to add new elements, use the Pen tool or Shape tools. Incorporate any text by selecting the Type tool and clicking on the artboard. Input your desired text and format it using the Character panel. Check alignment and spacing to ensure visual appeal. After making all adjustments, go to File and select Save As. Choose the appropriate file format for print, such as AI or PDF. Ensure to set the resolution to 300 dpi for high-quality print output. Choose CMYK color mode for the best print results. Name your file and select the destination folder. Finally, click Save and then OK to confirm settings. Your brand sticker design is now restored and ready for print. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.